Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now I want to talk about price analysis. 8 or 15 BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, SOL, DOGE, DOT, SHIB, AX. Bitcoin and altcoin meet selling at key overhead resistance level and investors are unsure whether traders will buy the current dip. Bitcoin BTC has been witnessing a tough battle between the bulls and the bears near the 25,000 level. A clear winner might not emerge in the short term due to a lack of a catalyst and because there is no major macroeconomic data scheduled for this week in the United States. Data points from Asia or Europe might increase volatility, but they are unlikely to start a new directional move. Anthony Scaramouche, founder and managing partner of Skybridge Capital, in an interview with CNBC, advises investors to write out the current uncertainty in cryptocurrencies and stay patient and stay long-term. He expects Bitcoin to reward investors immensely with a sharp uptrend over the next 6 years. Along with uh, Along with the focus on Bitcoin, investors are also keeping a close eye on either ETH ahead of its merge schedule for September 19, 15. A will address that had participated in the Genesis ICO but has remained dormant for 3 years has transferred about 100 50,000 Ether on August 14. This had led to a differing views with some speculation that the whale might dump his holding after the merge, but others believe that the transfer may have been done to stake the high quantity of Ether. Coal buying emerged to lower level and resumed the up move in Bitcoin and the altcoins. Let's study the course of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to find out it. BTC on USDT, the bulls tried to resume the up move in Bitcoin, but the bears sold aggressively 25,211 and pulled the price down to the 20-day exponential moving average EMA 23,483. This resulted in the formation of an outside the candlestick pattern on August 15. The gradually upclosing 20-day EMA and the relative strength index RSI in the positive territory indicate advantage to buyers. If the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, it will suggest that bulls are buying the dips to this level. This could improve the prospect of a break and close above 24,668. If that happens, the pair could start its northward march toward 28,000 where the bears might again pose a strong challenge. Another possibility is that the bears sink the price below the 20-day EMA. If that happens, the pair could drop to the 50-day simple moving average SMA 22,000 and later to the average time My videos are enough. Thanks for watching and sorry for mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.